Trying to create a PayPal account is a very difficult hassle for many people in some third world countries, and that is why I have decided to make this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a verified PayPal account that you can use to receive money and send money anywhere around the world. Now, it's an established fact that creating a PayPal account in Nigeria only gives you access to receive money and not being able to send money, and this is so untrue for many other countries around Africa and around the world. And that hassle is why I am trying to make this video. Now, a lot of content creators out there will tell you to create a PayPal account using a Lesotho country or probably UAE to create your PayPal account, which is actually true and correct. However, there is the other part of a video like that, which means that you would need to receive your money. And only recently, there has been a significant difficulty in actually receiving or sending money using PayPal accounts that have been created through all of those strategies, because all of those Lesotho and UAE PayPal accounts are USD PayPal accounts that makes it very difficult for you to create a PayPal account. Or actually, you can actually create the account, but it makes it difficult for you to receive and send money through this PayPal account. And if you doubt that, you can go ahead and create that PayPal account and probably waste your time. But I would really like for you not to do that. And that is why I have decided to create this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a verified PayPal account, even if you are in Nigeria. Two, I'll be showing you how you can actually receive and send funds using your PayPal account. Three, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually protect your PayPal account from getting banned by PayPal or getting flagged by PayPal. Now, one of the things I would admonish you to do is try not to skip any part of this video, because you know how sensitive the whole concept of creating or having a PayPal account is, especially if you're not from a PayPal accredited country. So you need to follow through on every part of this video so you don't skip anything. Like I established earlier, most tutorials will tell you to create a PayPal account using Lesotho or UAE, which is actually right. And when you create this PayPal account, you get to receive your money through USD, which is United States dollars, and you'll be able to send your money through United States dollars. But usually the established fact is that it makes it difficult for you to actually withdraw your money into your local bank account. Now, we all want to withdraw our money into a local bank account because that's the whole aim. Your aim is not to create a PayPal account and just have your PayPal account receive money and the money is just there. You're not planning to save your money. And even in the event where you're trying to save your money, at some point you want to withdraw your money eventually into your bank account, right? And that brings us to the concept of creating an account with Grey.co. Now, I have created a video that clearly breaks down how to create a Grey.co account. Though when I created that video, it was pointing to how a lot of people would link their Amazon Kindle account to Grey.co account, because Payoneer started becoming a hassle to create, because you needed about $5,000 to actually pass a stage where you get a bank account from Payoneer, a US bank account or a British bank account from Payoneer. Hence the need for me to come up with Grey.co. Now you can watch that video and create a Grey.co account, because eventually you will be needing it in this tutorial and the subsequent tutorials that has to do with PayPal. Now, what does Grey.co do? A Grey.co account is a third-party payment gateway system that allows for you to receive funds in either British pounds, United States dollars, or euros into your local bank account. But recently there has been challenge. But before then, what you do with your Grey.co account is that you link your Grey.co account to your PayPal account, and then you are eventually able to receive your US dollars into your Grey.co account, and from Grey.co account you can withdraw your money straight to your local bank account. And the interesting thing about Grey.co is the fact that it allows you to withdraw your money almost at the exact rate as the black market. It does not work with the CBN real rate or the parallel rate. It works with the local rate in the black market, almost sometimes even better than the local transaction or exchange rate in the black market. So you see that Grey.co is your number one gateway. And the beautiful thing about Grey.co is that usually it will give you a British pounds account, it will give you a Euro bank account, it will give you a US dollar account that you can use, all right, as you can see reflecting. However, recently, allegedly, Grey.co had created or had some issues with their US bank account partners. Remember, those companies, this third-party payment gateway system is affiliated to a US bank account that allows for them to generate a US bank account for you. also affiliated to a British account, a British bank account that allows for them to generate a British bank account for you that you can use to receive money, and that also applies to the Euro account. So like I said earlier, allegedly, recently, there had been a challenge between Grey.co and their US or their United States bank partners, and that has made it very difficult for people to receive money. So you see very well that for many people who have gone ahead to open a US PayPal account, all right, linking their Grey.co to their PayPal account and then eventually withdraw money, that becomes a very difficult hassle for them, because now they can't withdraw their money using Grey.co again, because Grey.co is having issue allegedly with their US bank partners, and that puts them in a very, very, very difficult part, and that is not a situation you want to be in. Now that brings us to the light. However, there is a way you can actually go about that, and that is by simply creating a PayPal account, a pounds PayPal account, a British PayPal account, and then linking that to your Grey.co, because Grey.co has an issue with their US bank account partners allegedly, but not with their US bank account partners allegedly, but not with their British bank account partners. All right, so you can still be able to withdraw your money in pounds, right, and then straight up to your local bank account. Now in this video, the aim for me is to actually show you how you can do that. However, time will fail us. I don't want this video to be too long because this is not the exact primary video. However, I want to know, I actually don't teach that just randomly. It is actually a very specific how to create a British PayPal account. It's just information that I share to people in my private classes. But if you want me to do that, I reckon that a lot of people have been complaining. A lot of people have come to complain that they're having difficulty withdrawing from PayPal and all that stuff. And I just feel the need to create this for them. A lot of people have been complaining. Even yesterday, I got people complaining that they have issues making these transactions, and the frustration is getting to me. Now, you might want to wonder, how do I create a British pound account, or rather a British PayPal account, and then be able to withdraw my money in USD? Very, very simple. Now, there is a platform I use, it's called Deel.com. Now, Deel will allow you to actually receive your money in whatever currency you want, but if you want to withdraw it, you would withdraw it in any currency of your choice, and it's just going to transfer the money in the equivalent of that currency. For instance, if you receive British pounds into your PayPal account and you want to withdraw your money in US dollars, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is to press the amount of British pounds you want to exchange, and it's going to convert that money to its equivalent in US dollars, and then eventually convert that into your local currency. All right, now the disclaimer is very simple. If you want me to create that video, I need you to leave a comment in the comment section saying, Phil, I need the British PayPal account opening tutorial, and I'm going to do that. And if I see that I get a number of people that are requesting that video, I'm going to create it, because it takes a lot to create that video, and like I said, it's something I give out to people in my paid class. So if you want that video, do very well, go in the comment section and let me know that you need that video, and I am going to swing into creating that video for you. Without further ado, do that right now and I will create that video for you. See you in my next video.